Hello coders, welcome to an exciting Python programming quiz adventure. Do not forget to comment your scores in the comment section below. Let's start. What is the purpose of the with statement in Python? What is the output of the following code snippet? Which method is used to find the index of an element in a list in Python? What is the result of How do you remove all elements from a list in Python? What is the output of What is the purpose of this method in Python classes? What is the output of the following code snippet? What is the result of Which of the following is an immutable data type in Python? What is the value of What is the purpose of the pass statement in Python? What does the enumerate function return? Which of the following is the correct way to open a file in binary mode for writing? What is the purpose of the super function in Python? Which of the following is not a valid way to comment a single line in Python? Which of the following is a correct way to check if a key is present in a dictionary? What is the output of the following code? create a generator in Python? Which of the following is used to represent a regular expression in Python? What is the output of? Which of the following is not a built-in data type in Python? What is the purpose of the init method in a Python class? What does the break statement do in a loop? Which of the following is used to open a file in read mode? What is the output of? Which of the following is true about Python's Global Interpreter Lock (GIL)? Which of the following is used to create a shallow copy of a list? What is the output of the following code? What is the purpose of the finally block in a try except statement? Let us know your scores in the comment section below. See you in the next episode.